everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will explain one of the best crypto exchange, which is the name of Wix. In this video I will share you each and everything. So if you are new on first time on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So guys, before going to start this further ado, disclaimer: this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advisor. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research you can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So guys, today topic, which is the name of Wix. Also I will show you a new event on this Wix exchange, guys. Also you can download it. This app is available on this Google Play Store and App Store is available now. Wix Millionaire Dollar Future Season 2. Also guys, you can check out some amounts, and also guys, you can see here these details. So guys, here sometimes remaining. Also you can check out current number of participant. Also you can see here 100, and also you can check out this detail daily spin to win, and also you can check out this daily trading volume leaderboard. Also guys, you can see here this prize pool, and also you can check out this total volume. And guys, also you can see here this future PNL leaderboard. Also guys, you can see here I will show you competition hub. So guys, also you can see here this details, daily spin and daily trading volume and future PNL leaderboard. Also guys, you can see here the daily spin to win. Also you can guys check out this total prize pool. And guys, here some available spins like that, one Bentley Bugatti, and you can see here some this details, and also you can see here. So guys, I will show you how to you can see here this future trading. Also you can see here start, and also you can check out this information. Also guys, you can see here this details on this events. Also I will show you. And guys, event rules, you can also check out this details. So guys, also must be read out this disclaimer. So guys, this disclaimer is very important. Also you can first read out, and you can see here this all information on this Wix exchange. Events rule, guys, I will show you events rules. All Wix available in the participant accepting the using subscription accounts and including user from countries to region where our desired trading is restricted, and user who are able to reward, and you can participant to require to achieve and required full trading volume in order to available to share price pool. So guys, also you can see here some details on this exchange. Also guys, you can see here this marketing. Also you can see here this markets, and also you can see here this futures, sport pro, copy trading, and also you can see here. So guys, also you can follow some social media community. I will show you. You can must be follow this official Twitter community, and you can must be join this official Telegram community that have the latest update news, in which you can see here. Also guys, you can follow on Discord community, and you can also must be follow this Facebook accounts, and also you can see here this join this LinkedIn. Also you can see here this details. So guys, I will show you, and you can see here now I am going on this official Twitter account Wix official. So guys, don't forget to follow this and trade with position success with Wix. And also you can see here this Telegram, the global brand ambassador name is the Michael E. Levon. Also guys, you can see here this latest post. Also guys, you can check out, and you can see here this new listing. Also you can see here this some new listings. Also guys, you can see here. Also you can visit this official Twitter account Wix official. You can see here guys this project amazing features like events. Also you can find out. Also guys, you can see here this official markets details. Also guys, you can check out guys, and also you can see here the futures like that, any cryptocurrency you can also find out, and you can see here guys. Also you can find out Wix English official. You can must be join this official Telegram community, and it's a very amazing and amazing crypto exchange like that. So you can also find out all information about this exchange. So you can see here this new event detail. This event is very amazing guys, and so I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.